Hi Andrew, thank you so much for looking at this for me. Um, I've done all of the activities, but when I know it was working earlier, but when I click on my account and I go to create account, I get nothing. If I go to log in, it tells me to please fill out this field, but when I go to create an account, it won't let me go there at all. So here is that page. So I know the pages we use today, we use the functions, and here's the index. Try to go slow enough so you can kind of see. Okay, here's the registration. And here is the login. Start up at the top, sorry. Okay, I'm just about cross-eyed with this. I don't know what I've done. I don't know what I did wrong. I know it's simple. I know it's easy. I've gone back over everything that we did today and I still can't find it. So, or that I did today, I guess. So, um, if you find anything, I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much.